Hello student, today I am going to start inorganic chemistry. In inorganic chemistry, I am going to start coordination compound. Transition metal. What are transition metal? These are transition metal. D block elements are known as transition metal. This is all these metal participate in the coordination compound or complex compound. So, transition metal possess a characteristic property of undergoing complex formation. Transition metals have this property to undergo complex formation or coordination compound. So, this is also known as coordination compound. Coordination compound are also formed by several other non-transition metal, but tendency is less. Their capacity is less to form coordination compound, such as magnesium. Magnesium is alkali earth metal of group 2 found in complex of chlorophyll. Hemoglobin is a complex compound of iron, while vitamin B12 complex of cobalt. So its study is highly significant for biological, industrial and analytical point of view. So the definition of coordination chemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of coordination compound or complex compound is known as coordination chemistry. In this compound, metal shows higher linkage than its normal valency. So this is the potassium ferrocyanide. This is NiNH3 Cl2. This is nickel tetracobalt. All these are the complex or coordination compound. Now come to the first point, addition or molecular compound. When solution made by two or more simple salt in the definite ratio, when there is more than 2 salt in a definite ratio and allowed to crystallize, so it is the addition or molecular compound. It is divided into two parts, double salt or coordination compound or complex compound. First is double salt. They lose their identity in solution but stable in solid. So for example, Mohr salt, such as this is the first salt, this is the second salt. Two salt joined together, that is why it is known as double salt, and this salt is known as Mohr salt. When it get dissolved in the water, it just dissociated into ions. Another salt is potash salt because of the potassium. There is also 2 salt, potassium and aluminium. Chrome salt, there is also 2 salt, potassium and chromium. Ferric alum, there is also 2 salt, ammonium and iron. Carnallite, there is also 2 salt, potassium and magnesium. So all these are the double salt. Now coordination complex, they retain their identity in solid as well as in the solution. For example, potassium ferrocyanide. This is the inorganic this atom, and this is the undissociated. That is why it is a complex, because it is undissociated. And organic ion get dissociated. So it is a reversible reaction. When reactant react to give product again join to give this complex. So it is the stable compound, because it gets reverse and form the complex again. It is of 2 types on the basis of stability. First is perfect, another is imperfect. Perfect is feebly or weakly soluble in water. For example, if Fe get departed from Cn, then again it gets joined together. That is why it is a perfect complex, because it joined together. Now imperfect or normal complex, it dissociated appreciably and reversibly. This is the complex compound. When it get dissociated, this complex one is reversibly dissociated. That means it gets again into the original form when it get dissociated with such as cadmium. When dissociated with cyanide, then it get again rejoin again and form this complex. Next is on the basis of cation and anion. There is the 4 type. When the complex is inside the bracket, it is the simple one and the just ion which is present outside of the bracket, it get the complex. So first is simple anion, complex cation. Cation is outside of the bracket and anion is inside of the bracket. So this is the simple anion, complex cation. Here anion is outside of the bracket and cation is inside of the bracket. That is why it is known as complex anion, simple cation. Here both the anion and cation are inside the bracket. That is why it is known as complex cation and anion. Neutral, that oxidation number is 0. That is why it is known as neutral complex compound, such as nickel tetracobalt, ferropentacobalt. These are the example of neutral complex. So these are the 4 kinds of cation and anion of the complexes. Main terminology is, this is the metal, central metal atom, and this is the ligand. So here ligand is NH3 and central metal atom is copper. So ligand surrounded the central metal atom from 4 sides and it donates the lone pair. All the ligands donate the lone pair to the copper. Copper is a transition element and ammonia is a ligand. Ligand donate the lone pair to the copper, and copper accept the lone pair from all the ammonia. So it is the Lewis acid because it accepting the electron, and whereas ammonia is donating the electron, so it is known as Lewis base, and this is the ligands which surrounded the central metal atom. So my question is, what is coordination number addition compound, central metal atom and ligands? Thank you.